Alright, we should go. We should go. You guys are in for a treat. It's gonna be a good video. You know why? You know why it's gonna be a good video? Cause there's a dog! Hi, you there. I know, hi. I missed you. Hey, can you get in the back so I can get in?
Come on.
I didn't know. Oh my god. Oh, but I can't stop petting her.
I know, that's the thing. You gotta stop petting her,
But I
so she can get
can't.
out the way.
I use that. Oh my gosh, she's looking at my face. I love you. But you want to know why else it's gonna be a good video?
Why is it gonna be a good video, AJ?
Because Devin's buying me a 2JZ for the S14.
Am I? I don't know about that.
Hey, Zuza. Hey, you guys, comment down below if you could just watch this dog for hours. I know I could. Devin is getting a 2JZ for his Supra.
Yeah, guess how much this 2J is if it comes out to be what it's supposed to be.
Well, the title of this video is we're getting a 2J for $200, so they already know.
We're getting a 2J for $200. It has 80K on it. Let's see.
Damn.
I don't know. It looks pretty fucking clean, to be honest.
If it's 80K.
Wanta.
Bro, I wasn't
Do you
recording.
want that? Oh, Fanta. Not anymore. I can't do it anymore.
Alright, I want to go get something to drink.
Alright.
Maybe because of my broken foot, he'll give us the 2J for $100.
I'm down.
Maybe he'll feel bad for me.
Bro, I was like, okay, so when I saw it on Facebook, I was like, hey, $100 right now. He's like, sorry, man. I was like, 175. He's like, least I can do is 200. I was like, let's go.
Let's go.
I'm down. Let's fucking go. I was like, fuck yeah.
Hell
Hopefully
yeah.
this engine comes out to what it's supposed to be.
That'd be lit.
Bro, if this has 80K on it, I can slap a turbo on it and call it good.
Well, sure, why not? Let's have fun.
Might as well. $200.
Just so you know, they are a higher compression for pistons.
I know.
Okay, so if you slap a turbo, you just gotta go very light on the boost.
Cheese.
Like 5 pounds.
Probably not even that. I probably won't even boost it.
So exciting news for me, I need to sell my S15 bumper like ASAP. I found a hell of a deal on the motor. The guy, it only has like 3,000 miles on it, and it's a buddy of mine. He's like, I'll give it to you for 600. And I was like,
that echoed.
it did echo.
My bad. Sorry.
But so I gotta sell this bumper so I can afford that motor and then find a new job.
Are we getting new deals right now, or like what?
I didn't lose my job, but my job sucks.
Yeah, you don't like it?
I hate working nights. But yeah, so anyways, I gotta figure that out. We're gonna go on this road trip. I want to put my camera down when I get there so I can inspect the motor while he does his transaction. And yeah, it's gonna be a hell of a deal.
So yeah, if this works out, your boy's gonna have a 2J for $200. $200.
I think it'll be fine.
I think it'll be fine too, because honestly, this motherfucker rich.
This motherfucker
He's
rich.
rich, bro. This motherfucker rich as fuck.
Bougie. All right, for real, you gotta appreciate this.
Oh god, this is nice.
This is cool. This whole bridge. Wow, that's awesome. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Give me a picture of that.
Oh, I got a video.
I got
I gave him a Turbo Supra when he was in high school.
Really?
There he
Yeah,
goes.
That's crazy.
He was on the freeway and
Then we got a 2J.
Alright, so look, oh, guess what happened?
We got a 2J.
Z for $200 with almost everything besides ECU and exhaust.
Manifold.
Yes.
We don't need an exhaust. You could just run open headers.
I'm not fucking. But yeah, it's back there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's back there.
Oh, let me focus. Yeah.
Bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna go drop this off at the house. Get these parts. It's gonna be in the Supra.
You gotta get an ECU, the exhaust manifold, mass airflow, clutch, flywheel.
A mass airflow would be easy to get.
You need to do, careful, that's a Roser.
I know.
There's one other thing you needed to do, and I fucking forgot. Oh, you need to do research to see if your W58 will mate up to it without a bell housing.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Because Ingo said I needed the JZX bell housing or some shit, bro. I don't think I do. I think it bolts right up to it.
Yeah, well, but
I'll check it out.
Yeah, just double. But Then all you need is a bell housing. You don't need a fucking like yeah. Because I don't know. You guys can comment down below and correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure the manual ISs and SCs and stuff came with the W53.
Yeah, I think they did.
So, whether it needs a new bell housing, oh boy,
Jesus Christ.
we lost service. That's what happened.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck?
But yeah, your boy got a 2J.
Your boy got a fucking 2J. Oh man, I'm excited. Vroom vroom, bitch. Vroom vroom. Vroom motherfucker, vroom motherfucker. Vroom vroom, motherfucker, vroom.
We'll go through the motor more when we get it back to his house too.
Oh yeah.
Well, yeah. So now we're doing an unboxing. Here, let me bring this Satan of a light over.
Hey man, that shit works.
Dude, a little too well. All right, we'll kind of.
It's like 4,000 lumens.
Dude, I don't even need to like. I can have it pointed.
Here.
Dude, I'm overexposed.
Here.
What the fuck?
Does that work?
Yes. No, dead ass. I'm overexposed with that light. That's crazy.
Really? This
Yeah.
is thermostat, I'm guessing.
All right. So, while Devin's picking all that stuff out, this is what a $200 2J looks like. I don't think you'll ever see a 2J.
For $200, that's like that, honestly.
Honestly, complete. Like it's. He looked inside. Pistons look fine. Everything inside looks fine. It's pretty clean. There's no like rust and shit. Like the fucking water, dude. The water pump's brand new.
Yeah, he did a whole timing belt and shit on it.
What the fuck? Yeah, $200. Good luck. Intake doesn't have any rust. Like it was not sitting outside in the rain like most motors.
Right.
That's awesome.
Coal canister. Don't need that.
You guys, there's a dog. Jesus.
This is the
She's like, I'm gonna head out.
something bracket. This was vacuum
Sensor.
purge valve that I probably don't need.
Brand new spark plugs too. Pff, that's
Fuck yeah, bro! I was like, okay. Next time on Tuners In. Devin find his bolts, and we'll find out. Did you get the injectors?
He had injectors?
He had 40 something cc's.
What do they look like?
I don't know. Injectors?
I'm pretty sure I saw injectors in there.
Yep. Yes.
Cool.
Clean them off. This broke. Whatever this was.
I don't know what that was.
Oh, I know what this was too.
Yes. That. Hey,
I can just plug that.
shout out to my boy, Adam LZ. Oh, I don't know. The sticker is just on there.
Really?
Yeah, I know. He was
Is
just
that
like,
his sticker?
I know. I straight up, I was like, "Pfft, Adam doesn't make valve covers for 2Js. He was like, no, it's a sticker. I'm like, oh, I know. I was just fucking with him.
This is a fully completed.
I was just about to tell the viewers.
Fully completed, not cut at all harness.
Yeah, and I just kind of stepped on it.
It's alright.
I broke
I
it.
think I broke something. Well, let's pour out the fucking truck, dude.
It was not cut.
It was not fucking spider.
But yeah, anyways, what I was going to say was Devin literally has everything except the few things we explained earlier. And yeah, dude, that's it. That's crazy.
Right? I really came up. Like, I'm sorry, this is probably the best engine deal and engine that I'm probably ever going to buy.
Well, it's going to conclude this video.
I mean, unless you want to do more shit, I don't know.
No, I thought we were just going to chill. I don't really need a vlog
I'm
chilling.
just going to fucking close this. It's your
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
hi.
Hi.
This is my 2J. Just bought it for $200, 2 for 2. They got it at Walmart now.
They got him at Walmart now. All right, Devin. What do you have to say for yourself? Let's end the video right.
I'm fucking excited for one.
Ooh.
I picked up a fucking 2J for $200, but also you gotta like and subscribe to Tuners In.
That's right. Why?
Because we need more viewers. That's why, fucker.
We need more 2Js.
We need
So
more 2J. We need more 2 for 2s. So anybody that subscribes, we will get you a 2 for 2.
So anybody that subscribes to my channel, at some point, I will give you a 2J. I'll do, you know what? I will raffle off a 2J, and I will fucking personally pay for the swap. if it gets to that point.
Damn.
That's a promise.
Damn.
Well, I want to do shit like that.
Saying
That'd be cool.
tight. No,
Dude, I
that'd
want to
be
bring back like Pimp My Ride, but
Yeah,
in my
no,
own
that would
way.
be fucking
You know, like something like that. I don't know. But the channel needs to grow,
Yeah.
and I got to just keep making vlogs just to stay in YouTube's algorithm. So with that,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get out of here.
Same.
Like the man said, like, comment, subscribe.
Yep. And don't forget 2 for 2.
2 for 2, and we out. Okay, bye.